Hello everyone, my name is Wilson. So today I'm going to share a 1-minute presentation about the dangers of smoldering fire. So what is smoldering fire? So smoldering fire is a flameless combustion of solids. As you can see in the figure 1, a cigarette is one of the example of smoldering fire. As you can see, there is low flame occurred and only release some white smoke, which should be a water vapor. And smoldering fire is a solid oxidation process, and the field, maybe just like a cigarette, it will become a charred and pyrolysis, and the charred and O2 will become some ash and release some toxic gases. So the most lethal toxic gases are carbon monoxide, which will release from the smoldering fire. If a human inherited so much carbon monoxide, maybe they stay in a room having 100 ppm carbon monoxide, the people will die within 5 minutes. So why smoldering fire is dangerous? So the toxic gases is invisible, just like the carbon monoxide. You can't see, you can't really see the carbon monoxide. You can't smell the carbon monoxide. If you are sleeping in a bedroom, you will, and there is a smoldering fire, and you keep inheriting the carbon monoxide, and then you may die. So this is very dangerous. So another thing is that the smoldering fire is very easy to ignite it. So smoldering fire is a low temperature fire. The surface temperature of the smoldering should be around 400 degrees Celsius, and the gas temperature is around 140 degrees Celsius. So it is very easy to ignite. If you ignite a cigarette and accidentally drop into a sofa, the sofa will become smoldering as well. So smoldering fire is very easy to ignite, so it's very dangerous. So another thing is that the sprinkler cannot activate it when a smoldering fire is inside the space. So why? So smoldering fire, as I mentioned before, the gas temperature is around 140 degrees Celsius near the surface. But if the toxic gases or the gases from the smoldering fire mixed with the air, the gases will become cooler. So maybe just around 30 degrees Celsius or 40 degrees Celsius. And normally, the red bulb sprinkler head should have an activation time of 68 degrees Celsius. So the low temperature toxic gases will not activate the sprinkler. So this is very dangerous, as the sprinkler cannot extinguish the smoldering fire quickly, and it will keep release those toxic gases, and people may die if they inherited too much toxic gases. So the last thing is that smoldering fire can last very long time. As you can see in the figure 2, this is a smoldering plate fire. So the smoldering plate fire, they can propagate to the underground and keep burning for more than 1 decade. So you can't extinguish the smoldering fire in the underground. So the smoldering fire can last long for more than 1 decade, and you can't extinguish it. So this is very dangerous if there is a smoldering fire happened in a forest. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.